Hello viewers, welcome to GarazLab. We will discuss today about regular expression. We frequently use regular expression into our products and it gives powerful access to web scraping and web crawling. So in this tutorial we will discuss how we can easily understand the regular expression pattern matching and get our desired strings. Before jumping into the tutorial, let's see some products that we use for our regular expression. One product is WP email crawler. It's a auto scraper and real-time extractor. So for this crawling activity or extraction, we deeply rely on regular expression. We use several different regular expression to utilize our objective. So we have lots of other products available into our shop. Please check the store and you will also get benefited from our updated products. Let's jump into our today's discussion about regular expression. So we will demonstrate some simple but complex features of a regular expression. Here, this is the desired string that we want to parse, and to parse it we use this pattern. Each pattern contains some specific keywords. We are making some groups using the first bracket. So we have the explanation of our command here. You see that this is the first pattern we capture using our desired group. In our first pattern, let's discuss about the pattern, what it really does. As you know that if we use the third bracket, then regular expression treats that our desired matching keyword will be among any of these. We have slash d, it means only integer values. Slash dot means, as dot is also a keyword in regular expressions, so using the slash it actually utilizes the slash dot itself, and we have the comma as our desired keyword. So we are matching this, and this pattern matches the amount, this one. So we have the dot, the number, and for comma actually it's a numeric value, so we use the comma also. The plus sign means these keywords can be present one or more times. Here you will see each explanation, the plus quantifier and other things. It has the detailed explanation as I told you. Let's jump into the second pattern that we are matching. We are using the slash d quantifier that we discussed before. It is the integer pattern that it will catch. Using the second bracket with the number 11, it means that this pattern group only accept 11 consecutive integers. Exactly 11 times. Here you will find it. The third one, for the second one, you see we have this parameter. So these are the helpful regular expression. Hope you enjoy.